The OXO Professional 12 inches frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It's like a reliable friend when you're cooking. This pan has a special non-stick coating. Food slides right off, and cleanup is super easy. You won't have to scrub hard after making your favorite meals. The OXO Professional 12 inches frying pan skillet is also safe to use. It's made without harmful chemicals called PFAS. Plus, it works on all kinds of stovetops, even induction ones. This OXO Professional 12 inches frying pan skillet feels strong and sturdy. The stainless steel handle stays cool while you cook. You can even put this pan in the oven. That makes it versatile for many recipes. The diamond reinforced coating makes it last longer. It's tough, like armor for your cooking tools. Cleaning is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. This pan truly simplifies cooking and cleaning. If you are looking for a dependable frying pan, consider this one. Reviews from other users often praise its non-stick ability and durability. While it doesn't come with lids or have a heat indicator, its performance shines. There's no complex assembly needed. It's ready to use right out of the box. Although it's not made of titanium and doesn't measure in quarts or have a honeycomb pattern, the OXO Professional 12 inches frying pan skillet is a solid choice for everyday cooking. You'll find it makes preparing meals much simpler. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: Pro quality, big 12-inch size, tough nonstick, no harmful stuff, works on all stoves, strong handles, extra tough coating, easy to clean, safe in oven, sleek black look, lasts a long time. Heats up well. Cons: induction heating can be slow, oil may run to the sides, coating may degrade over time. Reports of convex cooking surface, handle edges can be uncomfortable, quality may have decreased recently, non-stick may fail relatively fast, some find it not durable. Features: 12-inch size, professional grade, hard anodized, ceramic nonstick, PFAS free, induction ready, steel handles, diamond coating, dishwasher safe, oven safe. This professional grade 12-inch OXO frying pan has a strong, hard surface and a ceramic nonstick coating that's reinforced with diamonds, so food slides off easily and you can cook with less oil. It's safe to use because it doesn't have PFAS. The pan works on all kinds of stoves, even induction, and has stainless steel handles. You can clean it in the dishwasher and even use it in the oven. This OXO Professional 12-inch frying pan is a big, black skillet with a non-stick coating that's made without harmful chemicals. It's designed to work on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets to heat induction, though it might heat up slowly on those. The pan has strong stainless steel handles and a tough coating that's supposed to last. It's also easy to clean in the dishwasher and safe to use in the oven. However, some people have noticed that oil might slide to the sides when cooking. The nonstick might wear out over time, and the bottom of the pan might not be perfectly flat. Also, the edges of the handle could feel uncomfortable, and some users think the quality might not be as good as it used to be, with the nonstick failing faster for some.